When many people think of citrus fruit, they think of hot Mediterranean climates, like Spain. There's not much chance of growing citrus here in London. To have any chance, you'd at least need a huge, well-heated and well-lit greenhouse. Wrong! London has a sufficiently good climate for you to grow lemon citrus outside all year round. I bought this lemon tree from a Cruise Hill nursery back in 2018. It had half a dozen lemons on it when I bought it, and the label amusingly said, "Fruits are not edible, for decorative purposes only." I repotted it into the planter you see here in this video and left it to go about its business. Over the winter the lemons stayed firmly in place, and the following spring they ripened and I picked them and they were edible and very juicy. This year the tree started flowering in May, and as the petals die back they reveal the tiny emerging lemon fruits. These are barely 1 centimetre in length, or the size of my fingernail. There were lots of flowers and a lot of new leaves. One thing I was determined to do this year was to give the fruits every chance of growing to maturity, which meant giving the tree a lot of attention. I focused on giving the tree good regular feeds of fertiliser, made from comfrey tea, as I'm doing here. I also gave feeds of Swiss chard brew from my meals from the day before. This is also high in nutrients. Here we can see that by the 4th of July the fruits had grown to 2 to 3 centimetres in length. They have a deep green colour, indicating that they are healthy. There was also new leaf growth taking place. Fruits that were yellow at this stage were unhealthy and weren't going to make it, so I removed these. The ones I'm pointing out here all have good chances of growing to maturity. These lemons close to the garage wall have particularly good chances as they look bigger in diameter and have some coarse features on them, so I'll be keeping a close eye on these. Four weeks later and we see the huge progress the fruits are making. They are now 6 to 7 centimetres in length and really looking like mini mature lemons. Failing fruits have been and are actively removed, allowing the tree to focus all of its growing energy on the successful fruits. At this point I was observing 12 lemons growing to maturity. And lastly, these latest views 17 weeks later. Here you can see the lemons have almost reached full maturity. They are getting very heavy and the branches carrying them are sagging downwards. Some of the lemons have started to turn yellow, indicating they are beginning to ripen. The tree has put on a deceptively large amount of growth, which I didn't really notice from day to day and week to week. There are new leaves emerging even now in November. And there is even a new flower. This lemon is the full width of my hand, that's 8 to 9 centimetres, and is turning yellow. All the lemons have done similarly well. Whilst I may pick 2 or 3 this year, I know that the ones I leave on the tree over winter will last and ripen next spring. Lastly, this odd looking wrapping is a plastic bottle containing soil. This I've added to this branch in an attempt to make a clone of this tree. This process is called air layering. The idea is the branch will put out some roots into the soil in the bottle, which can then be cut off to make a new tree next year. If it works, I'll then have 2 lemon trees. So can you grow lemon trees in London? Yes, you can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.